The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Archita. So if you're following me on Instagram, you already know that it is Stark's second birthday and Stark is my pet golden retriever. So we are going on a family weekend trip to celebrate his birthday and हम लोग जा रहे हैं कामशेत. तो अभी हम लोग एक्सप्रेस हाईवे पे हैं. हम लोग 2 कार लेके जा रहे हैं और ये कार में सब लेडीज़ है पर हमारे साथ बर्थडे बॉय है और वो यहाँ बैठा है. हाय. तो ये कार में मेरे साथ है मेरी आंटी, फिर मेरी मम्मी और मेरी दादी. और अभी हम लोग एक्सप्रेस हाईवे पे रुके हैं टू हैव ब्रेकफास्ट और हमने इडली पार्सल लाया था. विल हैव दैट.
You can also have breakfast at Food Mall on Express Highway. When we are traveling with Stark, it is bit inconvenient to halt at such crowded places as there are stray dogs, so we avoid stopping at these places. For Kamshet, you need to take Lonavala Karnala exit on Express Highway, and Kamshet is 120 kilometers far from Mumbai, so it will take around 2 to 3 hours to reach there. Guys, we have reached now. So in the other vehicle we had Arjun, then that's my father and he is my grandmother's brother. And this is our beautiful stay in Kamshet. At the end of this video, I'll give you quick tour of this place.
So we have checked in our room and he has took his bed. What are you doing? Now we are going to have lunch. It's 2 and the timing for lunch is till 2.
Guys, lunch के बाद we took rest as summers चालू है, बहुत ही गर्मी है, तो we preferred staying in. और अभी हम लोग फ्रेश हुए हैं, फिर we'll have tea and then we'll go there and we'll go for a swim with Stark. आप देख ही सकते हो कितना ब्यूटीफुल व्यू है यहाँ से, तो आई एम श्योर स्विम करने में उतना ही मज़ा आएगा. सो लेट्स गो. Adventure has already begun and Stark is getting very impatient. He just wants to get in water. So my dad has already went in. Now he is taking Stark with some safety precautions. Let's check out what precaution is he taking. Now he'll tie a long rope to his leash. यहाँ का पानी बहुत ही क्लियर है लेकिन थोड़ा डीप है. अगर आपको स्विमिंग आती है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. अगर नहीं आती है तो आप अपने साथ इजी टू कैरी पूल फ्लोट्स लेके जा सकते हो. रात को यहाँ पे काफ़ी शांति होती है. इट इज़ वेरी पीसफुल एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ दे हैव बारबेक्यू सेट अप फॉर डिनर वेयर दे सर्व बोथ वेज एंड नॉन वेज. Hey guys, good morning. It's day 2 और सुबह हो गई है. We just had the tea और अभी हम लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, थोड़ा चिट चैट कर रहे हैं. अर्जुन इज़ पैराग्लाइडिंग. सो हम लोग जहाँ पे रह रहे हैं उनका पैराग्लाइडिंग इंस्टीट्यूट भी है. तो इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ स्विंग एंड ही इज़ लर्निंग. देन दैट्स माई डैड. ये हमारी गॉसिप क्वींस. हर फैमिली की तरह हमारे यहाँ भी गॉसिप क्वींस है. फिर दैट्स स्टार्क. सो दैट्स इट. फिर अभी प्लान ऐसा है कि हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, फिर लेक पे जाएंगे, स्विम करेंगे, पानी में खेलेंगे और या दैट्स इट. फिर 12-1 बजे हम लोग निकल जाएंगे. सो गाइज दैट्स द एंड ऑफ आवर ट्रिप और अभी हम लोग ने चेकआउट किया है. नाउ आई विल गिव यू अ क्विक टूर ऑफ आवर स्टे एंड होटल. सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक. So this beautiful property is Shambhala by the lake. They also have paragliding institute called Indus Paragliding. And that's the outdoor sitting area. It is quite unique and rather eco-friendly as everything is made from wood and stone. The view is wonderful as this property is located at bank of Lake Uksan. And this is the deck area. As I told you earlier, they have a paragliding institute. This swing is made from a parachute. That's the dining area. The package includes 2 meals and 1 breakfast. The food is okay and it can be improved. And that's our room. This specific room can accommodate 6 people. So there are 2 bunk beds and 2 single beds. And that's the washroom area. That's another cottage. There's one more sitting area. There's a kayak. And one more cool thing is there's a man-made pond and it also has fishes. Summers here are too hot, so best time to visit is from September to February, and if you love rains then you can also go in monsoon. So that's it about our Kamshed trip. Cost and location details are given below in the description. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked our video. To show us some love, hit the like button, and for more such travel videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Until then, goodbye.